I'm about to show you a kitchen hack that's going to change your kitchen game. We've had a few messages asking what these fantastic little blocks are, and here they are. They amount to about 1 kg worth of garlic cloves. That's about 250 cloves in total. My mother-in-law taught me this and I have never gone back. So I do it in 2 batches. I take half of the garlic cloves, put them in the food processor, add a touch of salt and a healthy portion of olive oil. I then wazz it all up, put it into a bowl, and then start on the second batch. Now please don't forget the olive oil or any oil that you prefer. Just make sure that it doesn't have a strong taste. But ultimately the olive oil is going to help the garlic, though frozen, stay at least a little bit soft. Doing it at home will really change everything. The garlic blocks you get from the frozen section at the supermarket is full of water. It's not very kind of strong in taste or flavor, and this is going to help you create a pungent block of garlic. After you combine them, separate them into your blocks. I use these silicone cases and then whack them in the freezer. They freeze so nicely, and because of the olive oil that's being used, it's really easy to actually cut them in half if you just don't need 7 cloves of garlic, but I find that I do quite often. Enjoy!